Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the altcoin GMT token. If you have not been following the chart, we did have a small pullback. It was for the GMT token, and then the crypto market also decided to push itself, and then GMT token decided to push even harder. Right now we are sitting on a very strong support. If the recovery or the retracement starts happening now, it is going to be an extreme bullish pattern and everyone is going to go crazy. There is more to talk about, but before we get into it, if you're here for the first time, you haven't pressed the red subscribe button, what are you doing? Scroll down, smash the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but if you do decide to do that, YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people see the incredible side of the GMT token, they decide to buy into it, start spiking up, all of us make a lot of profits. The best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, if we just look at the 1 hour chart of GMT token, you guys can see we are on a very critical point. So since the all-time high, which was actually close to $3.12, we have been seeing some pullbacks and then another pullback, and on the zigzag line you can see it's just a straight downfall. Now keep in mind, this downfall obviously came due to it being super heavily strong overbought, but you can see on the RSI line now it is actually going very close to being oversold, which is really good, because if you guys do not know, whenever anything is oversold, the retail investors like to buy into it because they think that the price will start spiking again. Right now GMT token is on a very important point. Why? Because if you guys look at the previous higher highs and also the previous support, you can see it is on the dip of the support, which is $2.30. so the support was right here and also right here. Now if the support plays out right, then this is going to be the reversal that everyone is looking for, and from here it will start climbing again. But now it has formed so many resistance on the top that it would take a little bit longer for it to just have an extreme bull run compared to what it had before. I personally still think that there is a lot of room for GMT token to grow, but you just have to be a little patient. It is on a very strong support, but the support can be broken, and if this support does decide to be broken, the next one is going to be somewhere here, which is actually near $2, which if you just take estimation in terms of how much we're going to be going down from this point we are on, it could be close to a 16% dip before we start recovering again. But keep in mind, this is the 1 hour chart. The 4 hour chart will give a different perspective, but I do want to mention that the 1 hour chart does not look bad still. I know a lot of YouTubers, I've seen some videos where you guys have commented saying, Sky, I feel like GMT token is going to completely crash, and I don't actually agree with it. Why? Because look at this. So yes, the trading volume has come down 50%, but keep in mind it is still close to 2 billion. There is so many whales that are still looking at this project. Yes, it is down 12% today, but keep in mind it was up quite a bit just in the past month. So being 12% up down just for the day, I don't think is actually very bad, and the volume to market cap ratio is 143%. That is just incredible. That just shows how many people are still trading this coin and how many people are still looking into it. The market cap is closing in somewhere close to 1.4 billion. And also another thing is on CoinGecko, if you just go to search, you guys can see in trending search, GMT token is still there. There is a lot of people that want to see what is going to be happening with the GMT token in the near future. So what do I personally think? I feel like there is still a lot of hype around the token. The hype has not died, and you know, hype is one of the biggest things when it comes for a crypto project to explode. Yes, GMT has come out with the new idea of move to earn, but I still think if the hype sticks around, we still have a long way to go. Now if we decide to look at the 4 hour chart, let me give you guys a more clearer indication. So on the 4 hour chart, we have had the extreme spike, so from this point, which was close to 75 cents, to a straight pull up, and there was nothing slowing us down. Now from that point, which is the all-time high, on the 4 hour chart we have just had a pullback. There's nothing slowed it down. Yes, there was a small recovery trying to get us out of the downfall, but after that it just went down. But you can see at this point it is still on a very critical zone, as this is going to be a strong support which could play a critical role. So on the 4 hour chart, if this decides to start recovering from here, that is still in a very very strong bull run and it can still keep climbing. I mean, the charts, you cannot find a pattern right now due to the formation of this. After this formation is broken down and it slows down a little bit, the price starts stagnating, we will be able to see some charts. But you can see on the RSI line, the overbought zone has come into the middle zone. That is very good. That just shows that a lot of people have taken profit that don't believe in the project long term, and now it's just the people who really believe in the token to stick around. Another thing which I want to show you guys is there are currently 7,500 users that have on-chain GMT token. GMT currently has 17 billion FDV, Valorant has 2.5 million paying subscribers and 9 billion market cap. Are you short or long? Now if you decide to look at this, you can see GMT has close to 7,500 holders, and on the other hand you can see the active holders have gone up quite heavy. This is really good. I'm personally very excited to see this. It just helps the token climb up a little bit quicker. Another thing which is really interesting is our boy Sydney. He's been going pretty crazy with the GMT token. My crazy friend made an all-in GMT token at $2.02. Crazy or not? I mean, the way it has done after he has put in the money, I say he's pretty smart with his investment. And finally, I want to show you guys this. So Binance just came out with the feature where you guys will be able to trade the GMT token for a 20x leverage. That is amazing. 20x leverage, it just gets more investors more interested inside of the token. Personally, I'm really excited and I do want to see this happen more and more, so more people actually get invested inside of the GMT token. Again, as I mentioned, as you can see, as we're recording this video, it is already starting to see a small recovery, but there are going to be a couple of resistance that it will have to break through for it to keep climbing. Personally, I still see it making a recovery very soon as the market is very volatile, and then this was due to the market crashing off GMT token, and then it started recovering slowly, and this is actually due to the whole crypto market crashing. If you do not know, Bitcoin has come down again to 45,000. I'm just a little annoyed why this resistance is so hard for Bitcoin to break. It's obviously because the whales are manipulating the market as much as possible, but on the technical analysis, we're still on the buy indicator. Now, if I show you guys the price prediction, retreats to $3.01 is at the end of the pump. Now over here they are seeing the outcome being negative and most likely is going to come down. The price prediction by the end of the year is close to $4, which is, from this point, it is still a 2x, which is very, very good. And another thing is, in the last 5 days it has gone up 250%. Now the price, the trend shows it's going to be going higher, but the technical and stuff over here is suggesting that it is going to be going lower. Now this is your decision to make, but personally, if it was me, if you're confused like what is going to happen with this token, what I like to do is when I'm confused, I like to put my phone away and just hold. Then I can make the decision later. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.